to do today? What to do today? Let's turn this street fresh mannequin into a fashion queen diva. Just like so much stuff these days, this mannequin was thrown into the street, but today is the day for its big glow up. The colour I chose to make kind of skin colour, I'm going to give it a shake. My friend Kerry von Power, who found this mannequin in the rubbish, gave it to me. She has a punk hairdressing salon, and she also has a few bits of merch. So I thought I might make it into like a beautiful tattooed person for her to display her merch on. A bit of a surprise. And I can't wait to see her reaction. Okay, so the undercoat has been painted. Just waiting for her layer of tattoos now. Kerry's hairdressing salon is called Cut Sick, and I thought I'd do a tattoo here in the middle of the chest of a pair of scissors, and later I'll come in and write Cut Sick. So we need a neck tattoo to cover up this damage here. And then of course some things coming over here. Kerry really likes birds, so I might do the traditional swallows on either side, or sparrows. And we need a neck tattoo as well. So I'll put my thinking cap on and we'll see what happens. Perhaps we could slow down with buying things. So much has already been created since the Industrial Revolution. We've had like factories pumping out stuff non-stop for a couple of centuries now, and I feel like we have enough things in the world to just keep recycling and upcycling and reusing. Perhaps we could slow down with manufacturing things. At this point I felt like the line was too thin, so I went and got a permanent marker and started doing it thicker and went over what I'd already done, and I think that it ended up pretty well. We want to attach this onto here. Put some of this onto here. There we go. And that can be called liquid nails. Give it a little quick clean up with my finger and leave it to dry for a good couple of days. And let's do something with this stand, hey? Because it's a bit broken. We need a stick on here. Okay, so we've put this in the stand now. It was like the handle of a tool. And then that will be able to stick onto here. And I'll just show you. To here. So we've made some trash into treasure now and saved this from landfill. And also saved us from manufacturing a new one for us to buy. So let's go to the Cut Sick hair salon. And give this to Kerry von Power. So here we are at Cut Sick hairdressing salon. And here's Kerry, the lead singer of the Aussie punk band Gusset Rats, with her new mannequin.